Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin and USD INR and Nifty, Bank Nifty along with the top 10 stocks of Nifty 50 according to the weightages. So here the possible trend for the next week we are going to discuss now. So start with the gold. I'm changing it to the hourly chart. So in the earlier we were in the buy, right? But later when it broke the trend line of this, we turned our buy to sell side, and here I told there is a chances it will come up or one down is possible because it is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now what is the possible trend we will see. So I'm removing everything. So here whenever it is crossing the trend line of this is a 0 3 or 0 2 4 trend line, maybe because 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it has broken the 2 4 trend line. So there is a possible pattern here is like a complex correction or upside. So it is not looking clearly to go upside. So hopefully it may turn little bit downside and go upside, maybe to the level of this trend line. So now in case of gold, until and unless it crosses the level of low once again, so we are going to stay in a buy or maybe in the corrective form, a correction or upside. So we will be seeing in a buying opportunity or a consolidation may expect in case of gold. So silver, yeah, silver is similarly, we said like here it is going towards this level and may turn one down before it can go any further up, but here it came down and went up. So now it may be doing the triangle in the higher time frame, that is a 1 day time frame. So it took support, it may go upside before it can go any further down. So here in case of silver also, I am staying in a buy until and unless it crosses the level of 25,930 on the selling side. Otherwise, you will be seeing a buying opportunity maybe towards 27 or 26 USD. Okay. Crude, as in the last week we have discussed this, like it will be going to go for downside until and unless it crosses the level of downside, but it came down a little bit and went upside. Here it faced some resistance and came down. So but overall structure is still in the buyer side. So I'm just adding the fresh trend lines so that it will be convenient. I hope maybe the RSI is showing some negative divergence. Why I'm saying that, because the way it is going upside, maybe there is a decrease in the momentum. Okay, so we'll see that. Yeah, it is high and high. Yeah, it is high. There is no issue with that. So the okay, here it was some lower lows in the RSI. Now what you can expect in the crude oil. So earlier we said 76, it has done the 76. Now until and unless it crosses the 71, we are not going to stay in a sell. But the overall structure is for like not very good buy, as we can see this, and here is a trend line. So it may come down before it can go any further down or further up. So these are the two importance level which I am marking now, 71.94 and 69. If it is crossing below, we will be staying in a sell, or else we will be looking for the buy for 78 or further upside in case of USD, US oil, that is crude oil. Okay, USD INR, yeah. Similarly, it is going upside. So structurally hasn't changed much. So I'm just upgrading this trend line, or I'll just remove this so that it will be clear, because this is the earlier view. If it is not crossing the high, why I said that, because it was going in a B wave. So B wave can go up to the 61% or to the 80% or to the 100%. Now it is near 80%. So as we discussed earlier, that is a 74 USD in the last week. Now it may go towards 75 and 75.90. So in case of USD INR, look for buy, not for sell. And Bitcoin, yeah. So in the last week we discussed this, like in Bitcoin, we may see some reversal here. it went upside. Now it is consolidating. So I'm removing everything now so that it will be fresh lines. And from this angle, this will be the support line. So hopefully what happens, there is a two possible structures here. This will be like A, B, and C we can expect here. Okay. Or we may see little up. So this whole structure will be A, B, and C. It may come down. Or like we can say this one, this two. There is some correction. Or here I took this way and this. Okay. So hopefully it may take a support at this angle. That is also expectable or here. So in case of Bitcoin as of now, we may see some lower side levels below this. That is 32,000. If it is crossing, it may go towards the level of downside once again. That is for 28,000 once again. So whether it will go still down, hopefully not. So it will come up, downside, then up, then down. So hopefully that will cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABCD. Then it may start moving towards 48 and 46 levels. So in case of USD INR, presently I'm in sell side. It may come towards the 28 and below that. That too only below 32,000. If it is trading above, we may see some upside movement towards 36, and if it crosses the 36, we are going to see 40 and 42. Okay. And now individual stocks, HDFC Bank, HDFC, not a bank. Okay. As discussed earlier, like it is in the triangle. If it is going upside, we were in the buy. If it is going down, we were in the sell. So exactly it came down and now it is going towards upside. So it may come up, down, come up and down. So it may consolidate here. There is a chances of this to consolidate and go upside, or from here directly it can go towards upside. So here also the same conditions as of the last week. If it is going below this, look for the sell. Above this, look for the buy. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, it is still in the buy side. So stay in a buy, not to sell. So it may going to form a triangle structure here. So I'm just adding that. So below this, and from this angle, this will be the right? Oh, fine. So here the similar structure, maybe this is A and B, we are going to see that is for 80% or 100%. So look for buy, not for sell. Only sell below 1360. Okay. Hindustan Unilever, I hope we were in the buy. So nothing's changed structurally. So we will be looking towards higher levels, that is for 2640 and 2600. So look for buy, not for sell. ICICI Bank, yeah. Until and unless it crosses the below level, that is of 621, we are not going to sell in case of ICICI Bank. We will be going to stay in a buy. So here it may be doing the similar structure that of the USD INR, like ABC. After that, we may see some ABC. Okay. So I'll add that also so that it will be clear. I'll remove everything now. Hopefully this will be the new trend. Like what I'm thinking here is like this is a B, whatever it is presently going. So we may see the structure that of the A, B, and C, right? So, but presently we are in the sideways, or it may be in the consolidation zone. So maybe like 1 week or two, or in next week, we may expect some consolidation in case of ICICI Bank too. Infosys, yeah, stay in a buy. As said earlier, like here, it may consolidate and go, or else stay in a buy for this. So look for buy, not for sell in case of Infosys. ITC, the most discussed, yeah, the structurally hasn't changed much. So it will come down first and then go upside. So 190 or 200 can be expected in case of ITC. Then it may reverse towards the 216 and 227. Kotak Mahindra, structurally hasn't changed much. It is coming down. So look for buy once it reaches the 1680 and gives a confirmation. Okay, gives the confirmation. I repeat, if it gives a confirmation, then you can look for the buy. What happens here is it is coming slowly to the downside. So most of the time it will be turning towards upside, that is for 1840 or 1850. L&T, yeah, structurally hasn't changed much. It may come towards the 80% and then go upside. So presently look for sell, or if it is going above this 80%, so we may see this, and this will be the another flat pattern or something. So there also the structure matches. So look for buy, not for sell in case of L&T. Reliance, so we were in the sell in the last week, yes. So we will be staying in a sell for 2150 or 2000, then we will be looking for the buy. Okay, look for sell, not for buy. TCS, it exactly done towards upside. Now we may see some correction here towards the 3200. So look for sell, not for the buy. USD we have seen this. Will see Bajaj Finance. Yeah, it's a future chart is coming. Okay, all chart Bajaj Finance Limited BSC. So no, yeah, it's yeah 6500. Yeah, 6445 still intact. We may see one up in case of Bajaj Finance. So look for buy here, not to sell in case of Bajaj Finance. Okay, look for buy, not to sell. So this is for the next week. If you like this video, share among your friends and family members, and please do take your financial expert advice before taking any trade or investment decisions. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. इश्क में तेरे